driver's side one, it's broken. I don't know if you can see here. It's been broken for a while. And so when I try to pull it up, it just comes right back down. It's really distracting. So I'm going to show you today how to replace it if you don't already know. The only advice that I have is when you do order it, just make sure you order one with the right color. This matches my car interior. So now, there you go. It's down, and it never matched my car's interior anyway. So I think that it was probably just, I think that when I got the car, this was already replaced for some reason. So hopefully I don't have to replace it again. This clip, let's insert that first, guys. So push it up in there and then connect it here. Take notice of these two. 1, 2. They're pointed this way, and that helped me to be able to align where it should go properly. So I just wanted you guys to take note of that. So I'm going to continue to just screw it into place, kind of pop down, and then I'm going to twist it this way so I can get the other screw in there too. Is this one gonna have bloopers?
It should.
I can see myself. Sorry.